Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look what is going on in euro. So market has completed totally the setup that we discussed yesterday. Indeed, this minor retracement is done. On the intraday chart, the market continues the downward action, tending to the targets that we have specified recently. So actually, the nearest standing targets is a range. It's somewhere between 108.40 and 108.88. So because here we have the cluster of the targets. This is not some fib support because major supports already has been broken. So even major monthly support around 11.85 already has been passed by the market. And actually, right to the 102 lows. From this point of view, I mean, fib levels, market has the free space because no other major level stands till the lows around 103. On daily chart as well, the support that was 110 area also has been broken. Market right now stands even below the recent lows, so we said that these lows will be challenged as market here starts to form bearish dynamic pressure, and as we recognized here, it was absolutely rational price behavior for the bull market. Just bull market can't move in this manner, and that makes us doubt on the bullish perspective, suggesting the possible drop. And that has happened. The fact that market stands, yes, it has hit the oversold, again minor pullback here, and the fact that market stands below the recent lows without any fast return suggests that downward creeping will continue. So maybe it will be not too fast, but market has to hit major targets. So as you can see on the daily chart, we have monthly pivot support one, major OP right here around 108.50 area. And also is 1618 butterfly. So if you remember, that is our butterfly that we have traded previously. This was 127 extension pullbacks. Now it's going to 1618. This was left wing of the pattern. That is right wing right now stands in place. So today our forum member stock also has taken a look at the charts, and in general suggests by the Elliott wave analysis approximately the same stuff. So it tells that market could move slightly lower, but not too deep, somewhere around 108.85. 108.55. And then he suggests a possible sharp bullish reversal, upside reversal. Well, here is one tricky moment exists because when I'm taking a look at the forex market, especially in the euro, I have the parallel analysis of the gold market. So we do it every day. So preparing the second report on the gold, and sometimes I feel uncomfortable when I see that the market suggests to be different setups in different directions. The same story when it stands on the euro and dollar index. So we do it very often, taking into consideration both assets as the euro as the dollar index. And currently, those of you who are tracking our gold analysis knows that we're keeping an eye on this interesting bullish setup on the weekly chart of the gold, which suggests the reaching of the new highs on the gold market. And making the parallel view on the euro and the stag analysis that he suggests that probably should be upward action. Well, it's interesting, and but I suggest that it seems for the sharp reversal in the current circumstances, because market stands at not at the support, so we do not have really some support below the market. It means that something maybe external should make an impact. Maybe some political news, but some event should happen that will force market to reverse. And that also should be the driving factor for the gold market as well. So this is the moment that keeps us fascinating around this situation and see what will happen once market will hit this major target. But today probably the downward drift will continue. So we suggest that market still has to hit the major targets. Speaking on 108.40 target, it's a minor target. It's not necessarily that market will hit it, but that is if you remember from this sorry guys, that's from this pattern. So we also have taken a look at it previously. If you remember, we have traded this AB equals CD. That was the OP target, and XOP stands slightly lower, 1 or 840. That's why I call it as a range. It's 1 or 840, also stands right here, but as soon as market will drop here and some volatility, market could hit the 1 or 840 as well. On the 4-hour time frame chart, the same pattern stands in place on a minor scale. So we have the extension of this butterfly here. It's market coming lower. It's 127 extension. And take a look. That is also inner XOP target of this ABCD pattern, inner pattern to the butterfly. Well, combining these two butterflies, actually, we could suggest kind of the 3-drive pattern, right? So, for example, it could be 1618. This will be 127. So you can see this stands in one area. This will be first drive, second. That is the third final drive that market could hit. From a technical point of view, should show the reversal. The minimum target of this will be above the stop between the second and third drive. It's minimum target of this pattern. So you can see at least we have the pattern in place that has a relation to Elliott waves as well. I mean, from the targets and by the overall setup. It has different tools, but the harmonic patterns also tells that this is possible, that some action could happen to the upside. So we need to be careful with that. That's what we'll be watching for on the next week as well. On the hourly chart, guys, well, here is nothing is going on. Yes, the market has completed our minor retracement. As we said, retracement will be minor, just at 10870 or at least 10990, not higher. And indeed, this minor pullback has happened, and market starts dropping. So today, I did not see actually what we could do really new. So we are just watching when the market will hit the major target. So market right now 10914. This target will be 10850, 10860 or approximately. It's 50 pips potential. So if you will get some bearish continuation pattern, well, it is possible, trying to take the short position. Those who have taken shorts yesterday, you could keep your position valid and just move your stops to the break even and wait when the market will hit the target. So today hardly we will get something new. Probably market will continue action to the target, and then we'll see what will happen.